Dear fellow Zimbabweans, I address you once more again on the issue of extending President Mnangagwa's term in office to 2030 from 2028 without the will and the mandate of the people of Zimbabwe. Extension of his stay in office without elections in 2028 will benefit the president, and hence that's unconstitutional. If ZANU-PF believes President Mnangagwa is wanted by the people of Zimbabwe, and that ZANU-PF itself is wanted by the people of Zimbabwe, let there be elections in 2028. The people would then decide if the term limit should be extended from the current 5-year term cycle to 7-year term cycles through the will of the people. So, Mr. President, President Mnangagwa, don't be misled and fooled by those around you who want to benefit unconstitutionally and unfairly and destroy whatever that is there in the country. This is your legacy, not your legacy, their legacy. So I urge you to resist the temptation of staying in power unconstitutionally without the mandate of the people. And I hope you take heed of this. Thank you.